Good morning, everyone. It is 8:30 on Monday, March the 28th, and it's time for the morning briefing. Snapshot of the region this morning. We have updated numbers from the unaccompanied children. No changes to our declaration status. We still have one pending. Updated numbers from the ongoing damage assessments are noted there on the screen. And we have no fire management grant request to talk about this morning. As we switch over to the Geo platform this morning, Cindy will have a weather update for us in just a moment with all the colors on the map. Before we go there, no changes at the national level. All are at level 4 steady state. Same thing with the region this morning. Looking at our state EOCs, Louisiana has gone down to the crisis action team level. Oklahoma remains at level 3. We've asked for an update from them. Looking at our IMATs this morning, both are deployed. Shelters, Louisiana has 2 for 43 occupants, and Texas 3 for 31. Power outages this morning, all below 1,000. Texas has 908, Louisiana 781. All the rest are less than 100. Now we'll turn it over to Cindy to tell us all about the weather.
Good morning, everyone. Current watches and warnings this morning will start from west to east. Across northern New Mexico, we have some red flag warnings. Across southern New Mexico, we have both a fire weather watch and a high wind warning for tomorrow. Moving on over to Oklahoma, those purple areas across the northern portion of the state and into northwestern Arkansas are all for freeze watches or warnings. And the greens that you see kind of in East Texas and Louisiana are for the continued river flooding. Monitor moderate river flooding is continuing across Louisiana and into East Texas. Again, there's still 2 points that are at major flood stage in far northeastern Louisiana. The rivers are slowly receding, but the water levels are going to remain at elevated to minor to even moderate flooding for several days. Those points up in northeast Louisiana that are still at major will likely stay at major flooding into this week, as that's where we're kind of monitoring for some heavy rainfall and flash flooding concerns as we get into the midweek. Starting off today, kind of quiet across most of the area, just fire weather concerns across the west, and those fire weather concerns are going to linger pretty much all through the week. Maybe by Friday things will kind of quiet down when it comes to fire weather. Outside of that, the real weather starts on Wednesday and Thursday for severe weather across the eastern half of Region 6. East Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, and eastern Oklahoma are all under a slight risk for severe thunderstorms starting on Wednesday and kind of persisting into Thursday, especially across southeast Louisiana. In addition to the, we'll go back to today here. Really quiet day across the area. Again, just fire weather concerns. You can see that 5-day precipitation map, though, down in the left, bottom left corner is kind of where our concern is for severe weather and heavy rainfall for the next couple of days. It looks like Mississippi, a good portion of the state, could see somewhere between 3 to 4 inches, and most of that's going to occur on Wednesday. And as this system slowly moves off to the east, portions of southeast Louisiana could also see some heavy rainfall that lingers into Thursday. Today, though, things are very quiet, no severe weather expected. No new information on the drought monitor. That'll be released later this week, and space weather is quiet. Pending any questions, that's all I've got for you.
Thank you, Cindy. Appreciate that. If you have any questions for the Weather Service, you know what to do. In the meantime, we take a look at the events going on around the region this week. And which is the safest if you're faced with a tornado? Anybody want to take a guess at that one? I see several people typing in the chat window, and yes, indeed, you are correct. Any questions this morning? Good job, everyone. All right, everyone have a great Monday. We'll talk to you tomorrow.